Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility based detailing. We did it. We hit the 2,000 sub mark. It's been a fun old run to get to this point, and long may it continue. Let's go for 3, 4, 10,000 subs. Sky's the limit. I needed to celebrate it. I needed to put down a video just to celebrate this milestone, and it got me thinking, what's the best way to do it? Initial thoughts were Robbie Rotten costume, but I thought, no, I'm saving that. That's got to be a 10,000 sub special for sure. If you're not familiar with Robbie Rotten, it's my doppelganger. I'll do that at one point, but I ain't doing it yet. 2,000 subs. Come on, guys, get 10,000, 20,000. I'll sort that out. It got me thinking, when this channel was new, and I need to extend when I start this, thank you to two guys, but when I was new, I was given help. I was given a leg up. And I was inspired when I started this channel by a particular video on YouTube, which were rules of success. And one of them said it's important to give back. And whilst thinking, I felt a little bit selfish because I don't always do as much of that as I can. And I wanted to do something on the 2,000 subs benchmark, not to celebrate me and where the channel's got to, but to do exactly that, to have a look at the other channels. So I put a post out there for people that had less subs than me, so that I can give you guys their details, and maybe in doing that expose you guys to some different channels maybe you've not seen, and to help those guys to gain a bigger audience, and that's going to grow everything together. And as they say, a rising tide raises all ships. So if I can do my bit for detailing on YouTube, this part of the industry, it's going to boost all of us up. That's a good thing. So the people that helped me and the people that I need to start this with, these two have both got more subs than me, so I'm kind of breaking the rules here. But I remember when I had around about 50 or 60 subs, and I got a message from Paul Dolden. Now this guy didn't have to go out of his way to message me, little old me, brand new channel. You have a look at the early videos, sweaty me sat at the table unboxing a wax and whatnot. But Paul messaged me and he gave me some great advices and really helped steer me in a good direction. So I'm immensely grateful to Paul for going to that selfless effort, and it's something I'll forever be appreciative of. And Alan from AM Details, he's a man who did likewise. Again, do just message me. And you watch Alan's channel, this guy's constantly busy, constantly on it. So he took some time out of his life to message me. And for me, it's people like that in the industry that we need more of. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful to those two. So my love and gratitude goes to those two men. So who haven't you seen? Maybe you've seen these. I'm going to give you guys a list, a rundown of some channels. Go and check them out. I'll put the links below for all of them. You may like what you see on all of them, some of them, none of them. Who knows, who cares? Go and check them out. It may just be your new favorite channel. Let's begin. First, ODK, Dan of ODK, Milton Keynes' finest, in actual fact, one of this country's finest wax makers and connoisseur of all-round good smelling products, has a very modestly sized channel with sub 10 videos at this point. So go out, check out what he's doing, throw the guy a sub, and I'm sure we'll get more videos on his channel in good time. TI22 Vehicle Services next. This is James. Now, James of TI22 is, I believe he's an ambassador in some way of Rupes. He's a massive fan of Rupes, he's got a crazy collection. I think he's just got all of them. But you tend to see him on demo days, things like that. Rupes put their faith in this guy to showcase their machines to the best of what they can do, because the guy can get the best from these machines. He's currently got around about 50 videos or so and about 300 subs. So let's see if we can boost him up on that. You're going to see high-end motors, you're going to see him finish to a high standard, you're going to see a guy who's inherently passionate about what he's doing, and he speaks with knowledge and experience. Go and have a look. RB Detailing next. So this is less than 50 videos, less than 300 subs again, so relatively unknown channel. Richard from RB, he shows a very high level of skill on a very grounded set of cars. Now we all love to see the Porsches, the Ferraris, the McLarens, and no doubt this guy could work his magic on those, but he shows you a far more, let's say, real world mix of cars, and it's nice to see. It's a refreshing change to watch someone, apply their skill on something that's a little bit more everyday, a little bit more for, the 99% of us that can't drive around in a Porker. Go and check out his channel, enjoy his work. Next, you got James from Remyroc. Very much a bite-sized detailing channel. The majority of his videos showcasing his work are more of a montage around about 1 minute in length and shows some really tasty motors finished to some really high standards. It's a real nice channel if you just want to get that bite of some shiny, really refined, well-finished cars, or you just like a little bit of car porn. Go and have a look, see what you think. Next, we've got friend of the channel, Josh Hotchkiss from Hotchkiss Performance. I have a lot of love for this guy. You guys know we collaborated on a video some time ago where we made the wax planet. That's the guy who loves tea. Go and check him out. He's around about 700 subs at the minute. He shows a lot of product reviews, how-tos. He gives a good opinion, a well-reasoned, logical approach. And the guy loves a cuppa. Go have a look at his channel, sub, drop him a comment that says Luke says coffee's better, even though it's not. He'll just enjoy that. But yeah, go and give my guy Josh a lot of love. He's got a great channel. AJP Car Care next. Now, Aaron of AJP Car Care has got around about 20 vids, around about 200 subscribers. But let's talk about the thing that's most important. He's got a mustache of power. I'm envious of guys that can pull off a mustache. I'm concerned if I grew a mustache, I just don't think it'd look right. The stylish stubble, maybe, but the mustache, no. I'm envious of this guy's mustache, but the guy's got a good channel as well, and he seems a good bloke. He will go through some of the work he's doing, some reviews, you know, just an all-round good bit of information on his channel. So jump over there, give the guy a sub, and let him know I sent you. Infinity Wax next, so another one of the brand's channel, around about 300 subs and a good couple dozen videos to boot. Infinity Wax naturally showcasing their products, and their products are proper no-nonsense, work well products, and you know, I love them. I've a hell of a lot in my collection. And to that, Infinity Wax, another, you know, Michael of Infinity Wax, another person who showed me support very early on, so I have a lot of love for him and what he does. So why don't you guys go and see if his channel is of any interest to you. Lothian Valet next. This one's got around about 5 or 6 subs as we stand, and a good 20 videos ranging from actually seconds, around about 16 seconds up to 5 minutes. Lothian Valet shows the good, honest, hard work of a valeter, and it is quality work. Go and have a look, see what they do. You might learn something, you might be entertained, you might just want to drop them a sub while you're there as well. Next up, Zipper Detailing, around about 100 subs for this one, and it's a bit of an awkward one because around about 50 something videos, but in actual fact that's probably around about 14 videos that you can watch and understand. I'll explain. Jan of Zipper Detailing comes from Luxembourg. He's a man of many languages and he's properly unique. I mean, tell me if I'm wrong, if you guys can name me another channel where their videos are uploaded by the same guy in different languages. I'm talking English, German, I believe French or possibly Swiss, he speaks one. Anyway, go over, check the guy out. The other really cool thing about his channel, now you'll see this when you try it, and do try it, watch one of his videos in English and then click on the corresponding one in German or, you know, another language. And I shit you not, you start to convince yourself you can speak German. You know what he's talking about. You've just listened to him tell you about this or that, or, you know, engine detailing. You start to think, I know what a gear in boxing is all of a sudden. It's brilliant. It's fantastic. I swear I'm starting to learn, you know, probably mildly racist German. I don't mean that in a wrong way. I don't know German, but give it a go. It's awesome. The guy's channel is awesome. Go and show him some love because it is properly unique. Then we've got Focus on Detailing, actually around about 1.8, 1.9 on the subs, so he's doing all right for himself. And to be fair, go and have a look at his channel. He's Australian me, but with better editing, better lighting, better cameras, probably better information all around. It's a great channel. Go and have a look, enjoy. There's a lot of vlogs, how-tos, a lot of good information on there. And you might just enjoy seeing what they've got available down under. Spoiler alert, a lot of it's what we've got available, but you'll see you know, what this guy does and how he does things, and hopefully you'll learn something from him. Go and have a look. Then we've got the Detailing Detectives, around about 50 videos, around about 500 subs for these guys. You're going to see unboxings, you're going to see vlogs, you're going to see product demos, how-tos. These guys, you can see in them, they genuinely love what they are doing and what they're producing, and it's great. That comes across in their videos. It's actually quite a nice channel to watch with that because you know they're genuine, they're down-to-earth people. So why don't you head over, have a look. And I'm going to finish with a good friend, Andy of Miles Drive. I wanted to close the show out with him because I feel personally that any industry, forget detailing, any industry can do with more people like him. And I'll tell you for why. Here's a guy who goes out of his way to comment on my videos, to comment on my posts, to like them, to share them, and not just me. He does this, I see it on Paul Dolden's, I see it on Mike Details, I see it on AM Details, I see it on so many. And when I met him at Waxstock, and believe me, it was my pleasure to meet him, he said to me, I know it's important to you guys, and I like to show my support, because the least I can do is just click that thumbs up and leave a comment. And that's a proper good heart, that's a proper good soul in a nice guy. So I have a lot of love for him, and I have a lot of love for his channel. Go, click it, see what he's doing, show him some support. He's working with AJP Car Care, so you know, some nice motors coming through there on the channel and on their Instagram as well. So go and check them out. Go show the guy the love that he's showing the industry as well. It'll make everything better for everyone. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys have liked it. Let's set some targets while you're here. So let's say, you know, 5,000 subs, 10,000 subs. Comment below. Let me know what we should do as the benchmarks for these. Sure, I'll make a video at 3,000 and 4,000 and 6,000 and 7,000 and 8,000. But let's do something cool. Set me a challenge. I'm going to pick the ones that I like. I won't let you guys let me forget. And we'll put those into place for the 5,000 and the 10,000 sub mark. But thank you very much for watching, for subscribing, for supporting, for sharing, for caring, and for every now and then telling me that I'm going a little bit off course. I appreciate all of it. I appreciate all of you, every single one of you that sub, and I appreciate the ones that don't, because you're here, you're watching, and that means a lot to me as well. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.